Dow up 150. NASDAQ still holding 12K this morning. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Hey, Bob.
Hey, Carl. Another strong open all week we've had this. So two things stand out. Number one, things are a lot calmer overall than they were 2 weeks ago. And number two, we're getting some modest breakouts. Just this open today, 7-1, advancing to declining stocks. This has happened almost every day this week. Take a look at the sectors. There's something more interesting happening. Banks are calming down. We talked about that all day yesterday. Semis are still continuing to be a leadership group. They have been for a while. But we're getting some modest breakouts, modest moves up in cyclicals like metals and mining, like materials, industrials, for example. All have been trading up this week. They had an overall terrible month going into this week. And REITs, forget about it. Probably the worst month in 25 or 30 years for some of them, certainly for some of the office REITs. They, too, have been rallying. This is not a breakout, but it's certainly a move off the low that is noticeable, and it's been happening over a period of multiple days. So we're seeing an expansion of the advanced decline line, and that's one of the things that's powering this rally. Technicians love it when you get more stocks advancing than declining, and not just a few big cap stocks moving the market forward here. Take a look at the banks here. The important thing is not just that they're up, but some of these banks, and this is the usual suspects, Comerica, KeyCorp, Fifth Third, are starting to trade at the upper end of the range where they've been in the last couple of weeks. Although, of course, they're all down 25, 30% from where they were a few weeks ago, but they're trading towards the upper end of where they've been in the last few weeks. And that may not be a breakout, but it's certainly a positive overall move. The markets are just calming down this week. It's really been remarkable to see how much quieter things are. So look at the biggest gainer this week. It's the Russell 2000. Guess what? That's 25% financials. That's a lot of small bank stocks. That tells you something. The bank volumes, which were titanic, record numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8 times normal volumes that we saw in some of these bank stocks, they're back to normal this week. Treasury yields, which had collapsed, are inching higher this week. And as I mentioned before, the market breadth is advancing, and that's probably the single most important thing. You want a simple way to look at how things are calming down? Okay, we talk about the VIX all the time. It went into March at 19, it went to 30, and we look at this, back down to 19. If you want to call that a head and shoulders, fine, whatever you want to call it if you were technically inclined, but that is quite a move up and back down again. Here's what's also important here. We've had this nice move off of the bottom recently, and there seems to be a sort of Goldilocks case that the bulls want to make. I'm not convinced about this, but they make an interesting point. The market is acting like there's only going to be a modest recession, and suddenly inflation's going to come down a bit, and interest rates are going to come down. And they keep pointing out, if you notice, Bob, corporate earnings have stopped going down. And indeed, they have stopped going down. In fact, they've modestly risen in the last few weeks. So let's call it for the year flattish, but not collapsing. That's an interesting change in the trend over a few weeks ago. And this week, a lot of the bears have been quiet on the earnings front because actually the earnings numbers have come in pretty well. In fact, surprisingly well. Micron had excellent numbers. Lululemon, great numbers. McCormick, great numbers. PVH, great numbers. One disappointment was RH, and even there you see the decline is fairly small. So these are early reporters. They've actually done remarkably well, and people are saying, well, gee, maybe it's not going to be so terrible on the front. So where are we closing out the month here? One more day left. S&P is up 2% for the month, okay? Hard to believe, but we are right near where we were in early February, and Carl, up 5% for the month. And if you would have told me this 2 weeks ago, I would have been in the you got to be kidding me camp. And here we are. And so the bulls have a little bit ascendancy in the rhetoric right now, and for good reason.